When most people think of mysticism, they think of some bearded guy in robes, maybe chanting spells or sleeping on a bed of nails, or some kind of national treasure adventure uncovering hidden clues, or a half-starved person dressed in a burlap sack meditating in the jungle. But really, the truth is not nearly as exotic as all of that. Mysticism, at its core, is about living in harmony with the endless mysteries that permeate our lives. If you think about it, we take an insane number of things for granted in our lives, completely miraculous things that leave us with unanswerable questions. Some people deal with it simply by ignoring it. They do their best to numb themselves to the monotony of constant uncertainty or grasp for control. Others would rather adopt the beliefs of others. And, after all, it's a lot easier when someone gives you the answers. Comforting, even if the answers don't make any sense. And besides, there's safety in those numbers. While some people, they become so wrapped up in the world that they don't believe in anything that they can't see or touch. Others live a completely detached fantasy. Most people exist somewhere in between of those extremes, right? Trying to reconcile the paradox and solve the equation of life, as if that answer will somehow soothe their restless spirit. A mystic isn't so interested in the answers. It is the questions that really matter, willing to challenge even the most dearly held beliefs and quote-unquote truths. A mystic also isn't fixated on what they know, but acutely aware of the vast areas of our ignorance. And a mystic isn't so concerned with the hereafter, following an arbitrary set of rules to earn enough points for the good place. Rather, a mystic is concerned about creating a heaven on earth. A mystic doesn't need to get out of this world and project their consciousness into other dimensions, but to become deeply present to the currents of life here and now, living in the mystery, right? In wonder and awe at the magnificent order within the chaos of it all. Unapologetically human, irrevocably divine. The life of the mystic isn't for everyone, but everyone needs a mystic in their life. Someone to remind you that you are perfect exactly as you are, even if you have no idea what that is. So stick around and we'll take that journey together.